Hi, I'm Danielle, and today I'm going to share with you the two ways in which we process and perceive the outside world. The first is bottom-up processing. This is the processing that goes straight from the physical stimuli to the brain. The light enters the eye, goes through the retina, transmitted by electrical signals to the primary visual cortex, and then to other areas of the brain that form our perception of that stimulus. Now we will move on to the second type of processing. I know what some of you are thinking. Isn't that how we perceive everything? Just by the physical stimuli as our eyes see it? If that's the case, why are identical stimuli perceived differently by different people? Why do some people see a white and gold dress while others see a black and blue dress? This is because identical sensations can lead to very different perceptions. In addition to the dress controversy, let's use another example. Your mom sends you a text ending with "okay" with a period. You begin to panic and wonder why she's upset with you. Why is she being short? When really, she's just using proper grammar. If we are all experiencing the same stimuli, then why aren't we all perceiving the same thing? The difference comes from top-down processing. This is when context and previous information or experiences affect the way our brain perceives current stimuli. Watch this example. So, for an example of top-down processing, I'm going to be using the rat man experiment. Basically, they show you a series of animals and then a rat, or a series of faces and a man. But the picture is the same for either the rat or the man. So the idea is that top-down processing changes what you see at the end. Okay, so basically I'm just going to show you a series of pictures and you're just going to tell me from the pictures.
Okay.
So picture number one.
It's a bun.
A rabbit.
Picture number two.
A cat.
A cat.
Picture number three.
Ooh, a rooster.
A rooster. Picture number four.
A dog.
A dog. Picture number five.
A rat.
Thank you.
A rat.
Picture number one.
Man.
Man.
Picture number two.
A woman. Woman.
Picture number three.
Child. Boy.
Picture number four.
Girl. Girl.
Picture number five.
A face.
Thank you.
Face.
Top-down processing is what affects whether a person sees a rat after being shown other animals or a man after being shown other faces. It's why we perceive a period in a text as a caution sign while our moms just see it as proper grammar. Top-down processing affects the way in which our brain perceives everything, even when we don't need or want it to. Our prior knowledge, context, worldviews, peers' opinions, it all affects our perception of the stimuli we encounter 24/7. So, when we combine top-down processing and bottom-up processing, we get our perception of the world as our brain sees it. Okay, so now we know there are two types of processing. Why does it matter? What is the point? We base all our opinions of situations, of people, our circumstances based on our own perceptions. These perceptions are not solely built on stimuli, though, but are clouded by everything we have ever heard, said, read, watched, smelled, touched, witnessed, so on, before that stimuli came. When we only view circumstances from our point of view, we are filled with biases from our previous experiences. These biases cause a lack of compassion and understanding of others or their situations because we simply cannot relate. This is why diversity of age, education, race, religion, political views, socioeconomic status, gender, etc. is so important. Our perceptions and opinions are colored by our experiences. So when we learn about others' experiences, our perceptions include their experiences as well as our own.